All right, guys, this is my first thoughts of the Urmust book stand for reading. But what I'm going to use this for, obviously, I'll show you it for reading. I'll put a book on there. But I'm going to use this for my laptop. I like that this is a laptop stand. This thing is it's got a very sturdy base. It's a nice sturdy material, and it even comes with a tool for tightening and loosening it. There are basically 4 different joints where you could use this. And I also wanted to show you how clean the acrylic is. So it comes with paper over it that keeps it from, being scratched in transit. And I think that's a nice little touch. You're not going to see that with every company on this website. I think that's a very unique touch that really just shows they're thinking a little bit more about you, the customer, and not just about making money. Obviously, every company's got to make it, but look how clear that is. That's crystal clear. I'm gonna give you a POV view, and we're gonna put my laptop on it and see how it looks. All right, guys, and here it is in action. This is super easy to use, and I actually think it just looks cool. It's even got these little hands right here that kind of lock your laptop or your book in place. Not only that, but it has like a rubber, like a silicone or rubber right here that kind of keeps your laptop, it sticks to it almost. It doesn't actually stick, but it kind of gives it more of a grip to keep it there. If you're like this and you work with a laptop and you maybe have a separate keyboard and separate mouse, this is going to be a great tool for you. I like that it sort of elevates my laptop and my screen because I tend to almost hurt my neck when I'm looking down at it too much. So honestly, I sort of think this just looks cool. Ultimately, if this works for a laptop, it's going to work for a book. It's going to work for a iPad or whatever you want to use. I mean, this is cool, and I think Urmust is a must-have.